Welcome, Thrivers. Whether you're new to minimalism or looking to refine your journey, Quit Clutter offers inspiration and guidance for everyone. Join us if you're ready to quit clutter and organize, optimize, and thrive in your life. Could simplifying your wardrobe actually make your life easier? A capsule wardrobe is a streamlined collection of essential clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. The idea is to have a smaller, more intentional wardrobe that eliminates decision fatigue and makes getting dressed easier. Imagine having a wardrobe that sparks joy, saves time, and reduces stress. Having a capsule wardrobe can also lead to a more mindful approach to fashion. When you have fewer pieces, you're forced to think more critically about what you're buying and how it will fit into your existing wardrobe. This can lead to a reduction in waste, saving you money, and reducing your environmental impact. Plus, a capsule wardrobe can be a great way to develop your personal style and identify what works best for your body and lifestyle. One of the most significant benefits of a capsule wardrobe is the simplification of your morning routine. Imagine being able to get dressed in under 10 minutes without having to try on multiple outfits or worry about what to wear. With a capsule wardrobe, you'll have a clear understanding of what works well together, making it easy to throw on an outfit and go. So, if you're ready to simplify your wardrobe and optimize your life, let's get started. To get started with creating a capsule wardrobe, there are a few essential items you'll need. First, you'll need a solid foundation of basic clothing items, such as a classic white shirt, a pair of well-fitting jeans, and a comfortable pair of shoes. These items will serve as the building blocks of your wardrobe and can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. Next, you'll need a designated storage space for your wardrobe. This could be a closet, a dresser, or even a storage bin. Having a dedicated space will help you stay organized and ensure that everything has its place. You'll also need to have a good understanding of your personal style. Think about what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Do you prefer bright colors or neutrals? Are you more of a classic and timeless style, or do you like to stay on top of the latest trends? Understanding your personal style will help you make intentional purchasing decisions and ensure that your wardrobe is filled with pieces that make you feel great. Having an open mind is also crucial. Be willing to try new combinations of outfits and step out of your comfort zone. Remember, the goal of a capsule wardrobe is to simplify, not to limit your creativity. Okay, now that we have the basics covered, let's dive into the process of creating a capsule wardrobe. The first step is to take everything out of your closet. Yes, you read that right. Everything. This might seem daunting, but trust me, it's essential to see everything you have laid out in front of you. Start by grouping similar items together, such as tops, pants, dresses, and outerwear. Next, go through each group and start decluttering. Be ruthless. If you haven't worn it in the past year, it's probably safe to get rid of it. Consider the 80-20 rule, which states that 80% of the time, you likely wear 20% of your clothes. Identify the items that fall into that 20% and set them aside. Once you've decluttered, start selecting pieces that are versatile and can be worn multiple times. Look for items that can be dressed up or down and that work well with other pieces in your wardrobe. Consider the colors, fabrics, and styles that make you feel confident and comfortable. As you're selecting pieces, think about the activities you engage in on a daily basis. Do you work from home? Do you have a job that requires a specific dress code? Identifying your needs will help you create a wardrobe that's functional and practical. Once you've selected your pieces, it's time to organize your wardrobe. Start by categorizing items into tops, bottoms, dresses, and outerwear. Within each category, organize items by type, such as short-sleeve shirts or jeans. This will make it easy to see what you have and ensure that you're not forgetting about certain pieces. Use storage bins or baskets to store items that you don't wear frequently, such as out-of-season clothing or special occasion wear. Label each bin so you know what's inside. Hang up items that you wear frequently, using a color-coded system to make it easy to see what you have. As you're organizing, think about the flow of your wardrobe. Identify what you wear most frequently and place those items front and center. This will save you time in the morning and ensure that you're wearing what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Now, let's talk about creating outfits. Start by identifying your core colors. the colors that you wear most frequently, and that work well with your skin tone. Then, think about the styles that make you feel confident and comfortable. Do you prefer flowy clothing or structured tops? Once you have an idea of your core colors and styles, start creating outfits. Begin with a neutral base, such as a pair of jeans or a white shirt, and then add a pop of color. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new combinations. As you're creating outfits, think about the activities you'll be doing and the dress code required. This will help you create outfits that are functional and practical. Remember, the goal of a capsule wardrobe is to simplify, not to limit your creativity. Don't be afraid to try new things and step out of your comfort zone. Maintaining your capsule wardrobe throughout the seasons requires some planning. Start by identifying what you need for the upcoming season. Do you need warmer clothes for winter or lighter clothes for summer? As you're planning, think about what you can keep from your previous season's wardrobe, what you need to add, and what you can rotate out. This will help you create a wardrobe that's functional and practical. One of the biggest challenges people face when creating a capsule wardrobe is overpacking. Don't be afraid to edit your wardrobe and get rid of items that don't serve you. Remember, the goal is to simplify, creatively. Another challenge is difficulty in letting go of clothes. Remember, the items you're getting rid of are making way for new, intentional purchases that will make you feel confident and comfortable. Focus on the benefits of having a capsule wardrobe: reduced decision fatigue, saved time, and increased confidence. As you're maintaining your wardrobe, don't forget to take care of your clothes. Wash them regularly, iron them if needed, and hang them up to prevent wrinkles. Now that we've covered the process of creating a capsule wardrobe, let's recap the key steps. First, declutter your wardrobe and identify what you truly need. Next, select versatile pieces that can be worn multiple times. Then, organize your wardrobe in a way that makes sense for you. Remember, the goal of a capsule wardrobe is to simplify, not to limit your creativity. Don't be afraid to try new things and step out of your comfort zone. If you're feeling inspired to create your own capsule wardrobe, I encourage you to take the leap. Start by decluttering, selecting versatile pieces, and organizing your wardrobe. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below, and check out my other related videos for more tips and advice. Thanks for watching, Thrivers. Remember to like, subscribe, and thrive with Quit Clutter. See you in the next video.